Hi and welcome back. In today's lesson, we want to talk about apologies expressions. That is, you do something wrong to someone, you want to show them that you are sorry for what you have done. So you have to apologize. Take, for example, someone is sleeping and then you wake them. So the person now is awake and they say, "You have woken me." So quickly you see the person is angry. You can say, I'm sorry. Or for example, someone says, "You have broken my window." You can see that the person is very angry. So you want to make them calm. You just quickly can say, I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. Or for example, again, someone says, "Your son disturbs my children." Maybe the son is the type that always disturbs people. So you hear the trouble, you can just say, I'm terribly sorry. You know how children are. So I'm very sorry and I'm terribly sorry are synonymous. Or for example, someone says, I'm not happy with you, like you have disappointed them. You can see that you have to do something so that the person will be calm. You just say, sorry, I did not mean to do that. That is, it was not my intention. Or for example, someone says, ouch. This has to do when you hit them. So you hear ouch, you quickly turn and say, please forgive me. Or for example, someone says, I made a mistake because of you. So you have to say something. You know it. You can say, I beg your pardon. Or again, someone says, your noise is too much. Like someone wants to sleep and you keep on talking and the noise is getting worse. So the person now is not patient and they say, your noise is too much. You can quickly say, sorry about that, because when someone is angry, when you're talking to them, you too must show a sign of calming them, making them calm. That is, you do not, or you don't want to make things get worse. Or like someone says, you lied to me. You say that, yes, I have to do something. You can just say, I apologize for that. That is, I apologize. Or for example, someone says, people are not allowed to enter here without permission. Maybe you a bank somewhere, you don't know, you enter without permission. You hear this, you have to do something. You can just say, my apology. Since you didn't know, you can say, my apology, which means I apologize. I did not know. That is, I didn't know that. I apologize. And then I think our last example, which is people were waiting for you and you did not reach or you did not go to the place in time. And they see you now and they say, we're waiting for you. So you don't make things worse. You just say, I'm sorry for keeping you waiting. So you can see we have I'm sorry, I'm very sorry, I'm terribly sorry. Very and terribly are synonymous, depending on how serious the issue is. Well, you have forgive me, I beg your pardon, and apology. These are very important expressions. I do hope that today's lesson 2 was useful. Thanks for now. Until next